Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can open the Autodesk Inventor file in FreeCAD. So for that we will head over to the add-on manager and we will search for the add-on here, Inventor. So we will install this Inventor loader, and once you install the Inventor loader, then restart your FreeCAD. Here I have already installed the Inventor loader. Now I will close it. Now once you install the Inventor loader, then I will here show you a Inventor file. It is a drive transfer shaft IPT, that is the Inventor part file. So I will select it and I will say open. So once I open the Inventor file, then it asking me in which format you wanted to open. So if here I click on convert to step, then my Inventor part file will be converted as a step. So here now I can save this file as a FreeCAD file. So that is the one option. Now I will discard it and again I open the Inventor file and I will say open. Now here is a set formats. So set is a file extension, stores three-dimensional geometry information within a standard text file format. So if I click on the set file, then it also open my gear in a form of set file. Now we will try the third options. Again I open the same file. Now here if I click on the native, then it open the Inventor file in a native format. Now here I can see the sketch. So if I edit this sketch, I can change the profile, but here the features made in Revolve which should not be editable in a FreeCAD. So with the help of this add-on, we can directly open a Inventor file in FreeCAD without converting to the step outside of the FreeCAD, like in Inventor. Like if we wanted to open the Inventor file in a FreeCAD, then we have to save as the Inventor file as a step file inside the Inventor. But here with the help of these extensions, we can directly open it in a FreeCAD as a step file. So this is the very useful add-on basically for those who are working parallelly with a FreeCAD and Autodesk Inventor. So I hope you have liked this add-on Inventor loader. If you have any suggestion about this tutorial, then please give your valuable suggestion in the comment sections. I will come with more useful tutorial like this on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.